Okay, hi, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and navigate your way to Google Sites. And if you just go ahead and click on your what we call the waffle up here or elsewhere on your screen. I know you guys use a different place on your Chromebook usually. Anyway, once you get here and this comes, you will see Sites. If you click on Sites, and this will come up here, okay? And you can see for me now, I have a bunch of sites that I've created over the years. Now, what I like much better are the new Google Sites. I'm not sure. I mean, for you, it may come up just in the new version, but if it does come up with this one, it gives you a choice to either create here or go to the new one. Go to the new one. It's a nicer looking, sleeker looking. I've created some here as well. So if you go to here, new, and then you can see this is my newest one right here. So if you want to go ahead and create a new one, you have there's a plus sign down here, bottom right hand corner. Click on that plus sign, and up it will come. And from here, it's really easy to work with. We can work with it more in class. I just wanted to get you here. You can choose your themes, okay, for different styles, different type styles, etc. Pages you can add and then insert, and this is all things. You can insert a text box, images. You can embed like little videos or things to work there. As much as will be allowed at school. And then anything from your drive, you can just go, you could insert it right from here. So if I went ahead and did show you my my website, if I can get here pretty quickly, I don't take too much time here. That's not it up here. Okay, so where is my, there we go. Okay, so if I go to, go here, this is my middle. Now this page right here that I'm bringing up, that was made at Weebly, but down here, Middle School Science website, that was made from here, Google Sites. And you can see it right here. So whenever you bring yours up, you'll get you'll get whatever you have there. You can set up all different pages, these different sections. So if I go to grade 6, I click on grade 6, and up comes my grade 6 page. And now within my grade 6 page, I also have notes there, a note page, which is just another sub page. So anyway, just to keep this simple, there's a lot you can do with this. So I'm really excited for you guys. To get started, we're going to document our year using Google Sites. Okay.